I might lose my mind, waking when the sun. Because what we practiced was sun's down.
Oh, so what you just did over there was you're dipping down twice, but he doesn't dip down twice. He dipped once.
Oh, okay.
Waking when the sun's. That's what happens. Try the
Right. Okay. So that's where I got confused. I might lose my mind, waking when the sun. Waking when the sun.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. So just do that one without the trill. Waking when the sun. Just do that.
Waking when the sun.
Right. Waking when the sun. Okay, so get that again. Do that a few times.
Sun. Okay.
Yeah.
Waking when the sun's down.
Yeah, that's the whole.
Okay.
Right now you're getting it. Okay, go ahead and try it again. See what happens here.
Sun. Okay, so the same note as sun. Okay.
Exactly.
Waking when the sun's down. Sun's down.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. That's correct. Waking when the sun's down. Do it that way. Go ahead.
Waking when the sun's down.
Oh, you gotta repeat that like 20 times. Go ahead.
20.
That's-
Waking when the sun's down.
It's good. Again.
Yeah. Waking when the sun's down.
It's there. So waking. Make sure the top note is a C4. Okay, it's not flat. Waking when the sun's down. Okay. Waking when the sun's down. Okay. And the trill. Sun.
Waking when the sun's down.
Spot on. Spot on. Good. Do that again. Good job.
Waking when the sun's down.
That's right. Can you try from the beginning? I might lose my mind.
I might lose my mind. Waking when the sun's down.
Yeah.
I gotta pause because I think.
Yeah, but that's okay. You got it though. Try it again. Good job. So you're starting at the C, C4. I'm trying. It's like I'm trying. Try that.
Okay. I'm trying.
Exactly. I mean, that's very easy for you. Yeah. So that's it. Okay. I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine. How about that? We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay. So let's see. Realize.
Okay, he cuts it off there. Okay.
Cuts it off. Yeah. Oh, realize. Oh.
Okay.
It happens on the and then you stop. Realize. Okay. It's like to re 1 2 3 4 to realize. I'm trying to realize. Like that. Try it out.
Okay. I'm trying to You get the vibrato. I don't know if that's voluntary or not.
That's okay. That's okay. So you just go straight. Okay. I'm trying to realize. Like that.
I'm trying to realize.
That's good. Do that 4 more times. Good job. Excellent. Go ahead.
I'm trying to realize. I'm trying to realize.
Again.
I forgot to pause on the
Oh,
realize.
yeah. I'm trying to realize.
I'm trying to realize. Or
Don't.
realize. I forgot where the pause is.
The second one. The
Okay,
second
okay.
one. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm trying to realize.
Yeah, again, the
Okay.
pause is like a very small thing, okay? It's a small detail. You can be just as fine as, I'm trying to realize. That's fine. Doesn't sound bad, okay? You can do that, okay? It's a small thing. We're getting a bit juicy here. All right, let's see. It's alright. Okay, it's alright. Again, I'm trying. It's almost like that. It's alright to not be fine. So, it's alright to not be fine. Try that.
It's alright to not be fine.
Very good. Now make sure the it is on the C4, okay? C4. I'm trying to realize, okay? It's alright to not be fine on your own. Right? I think maybe something like that because I've been listening to the
Yeah.
song, okay? I've been listening. That's a good song. It's such a good song.
Okay.
Go ahead, try that. Just try the whole thing out. See what happens. Go ahead.
I'm trying to realize it's alright to not be fine on your own.
Yes. On your own. Yeah, oh. That's what happens at the end. On your on your Again, what are those notes? Sun's down, sun. Right? Okay, just sing that, okay? It's really the same, and I'm only showing this to you so you're like, oh yeah, it's the same thing I already did it like at the beginning of the song, right? On your own. That's it.
On your own.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I got the. Oh.
That's it. Again, on
Okay.
your. Go ahead.
On your own.